cams, and I'm so happy to what you get when you are not working. Hey lovely cams, it is Kaman, your favorite cams, and I'm so happy to be back because why not? Yesterday I posted a new vlog, but I didn't get the view that I wanted, but it's okay, it's okay because I stopped vlogging for a while, and yeah, that's what you get when you are not working. But I'm back because I do like vlogging, I do like YouTube. I'm obsessed like about YouTube, and I want to be a full content creator, but it's not that easy. I stopped vlogging because my phone wasn't working. I have some storage problems, so I got a new phone. That's the one that I'm using right now to vlog. So yes, we are going to vlog. I also got a new tripod. Yes, so yeah. I'm so happy that I'm back. Honestly, I've missed you guys. Like, wow, I've missed you. And I used to post on on the YouTube shorts, but now I want to do a long form, like the vlogging, some minutes, 10 or 20 minutes. Yes, that's what I want to do. I want to vlog every day of my life. So today, we are going to do I don't know what to call it. Cake. I have an order, so I have to make butter cake. So we are going to do it together. Yes, I want you guys to work together. So I'll make it in the afternoon, and right now I have to go and shower and rest. My baby is sleeping right now. Yes, so I can have some times to rest, also taking my shower and maybe dress up. Yes, because I always look some way that when you're a first time mom, it's not that easy for you. So we are going to stop yapping, and I'll go and bath, come back, rest, and we'll go back to the kitchen and make our cake. So see you guys also. So if you're watching this, you are officially in cars, and if you are not, you are Hey Cams, good evening. And as I said, you made the cake, and the cake is so delicious. Like, I didn't know it was going to be that good, and I'm so happy I was able to make the cake with you guys. So honestly, I'm so proud of myself, seriously, since I started this baking. And I don't know how to say, it's like, um, what do we say? Like, I'm always trying my best, like, to do some. Hey Camps, it's your girl Kaman, and it's actually 6, almost 6, and we are done with the cake. I'm so proud of myself, seriously. The cake came out really nice and delicious. So that's going to be the end of the vlog. Tomorrow I don't know what we are going to do, but I'm so happy that I can vlog every day of my life, because I want to improve my YouTube channel, my videos, everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this kind of video. So see you tomorrow. Bisous, bye. Mwah.